Hello everyone, I am here for a Hip Kit Club unboxing. I have the October kits. I have all of them and I'm going to share them with you. They are absolutely gorgeous and I'm so excited to share them with you, and I cannot wait to dig into all of these goodies. So I have the Pocket Life kit, the embellishment kit, the main kit, the pattern paper add-on, cardstock add-on. This is the stamp, stamp add-on, the metal die add-on, and then the color kit add-on. So let's dig into all of these goodies, starting with the main kit. So I've gone ahead and opened up both the pattern paper add-on and the main kit papers, just so I can show you both sides. They both come packaged nicely with this cardboard behind them, and they are like shrink wrapped, so they stay very nice. And I always save that cardboard that comes in the packaging because that works really well for bases for your mini albums. So we'll go through the papers first. And this collection is all exclusive. It's called Fall in Love. Absolutely love this paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then here is the back side, and they all come with this strip along the bottom that is a nice pattern paper, or a nice pattern that you can use on your layouts as well. Autumn Splendor, gorgeous floral. And then here is the back side. This would be really fun to fussy cut all of those leaves, if you like fussy cutting. I know not everybody likes fussy cutting, but I enjoy it, so that's probably what I'll do with that, with one of the papers. This one is called Corn Maze. This one is really fun. Loving all of these beautiful colors, and look at this wood grain. This is really pretty. This gorgeous plaid, crisp and cool. Love this yellow color. It's just the perfect fall color. And then this paper here, and then look at this gorgeous strip down here of floral. I just love this color combo right here. It's very pretty. Golden Days. And then the back side here. I love that there's like a nice like bold pattern on the side, and then the back side is a nice subtle pattern for you. Harvest Delight. All of those pretty leaves. And then here is the back side, this gorgeous pink. I love that so much. And you can see those like little sketch lines or zigzag lines. You can kind of see those in the leaves as well. Juniper, that gorgeous green. And then this pretty pink plaid. And then oh, look at all those little pumpkins down there. Those are so cute. I love this one. Leaf Tumble. And then the back side, and I absolutely love this color. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Like, this is just so pretty right here. I love the two of these together. Piles of Smiles. All of these pretty pumpkins. And then the back side, this really pretty purple with the dot, and then you got a blue strip down here at the bottom. The colors in this kit are just gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And this one is Seasons of Change. And here's the back side. There are lots of pinks and purples, but lots of blues, like different shades of blues in here. So you can use it for, you know, girl layouts, boy layouts. Great floral. Absolutely love this. I know I'm going to be fussy cutting some of these out. And then I love the back of this. This one's called Sweater Weather. Oh, I absolutely love it. I love the whole thing. It's just so pretty. All of this is just so pretty. It's just got so many different elements for feminine and masculine in it. It's just the perfect amount of everything together in one kit. Here are the tags. I love a tag paper. So you have some plain tags, some with some with sayings, excuse me, this gorgeous floral that I'll probably fussy cut out. And here is the back side. So that is all of the papers, front and back, from this collection. And then here are the double-sided plain and pin dot papers. Again, packaged beautifully with a nice cardboard in the back and then shrink wrapped. So you have this gorgeous purple. And again, you're going to have a texture on one side and then the pin drop on the other, but you can't feel the texture. It's just like a printed texture. And it's a nice weight cardstock. And this color is not showing up as gorgeous. Like, it's not showing up on camera like it really is in person. These are just so pretty. It's like kind of dull in my lens, and I apologize, but you guys will love these papers. They will coordinate beautifully with the kits, and I love that they are doing their own papers now. Marshmallow Fluff. This one's called Pumpkin. This one is called Spice. And then Teal. So all of the papers, pattern papers and cardstock. So let's go into the main kit embellishments. Okay, so we'll start with the puffy stickers. You get these gorgeous green puffy stickers, and then you also get a smaller font in the navy blue. So 2 different alphas. Then you're going to get some gold foil clear stickers. There are 28 stickers in here. These are really fun. And then chipboard frames and bits. So lots of frames, some different icons, florals, hearts, some gold foil accents on most of the elements in here. Pretty florals. Really, really cute. And then, of course, the die cuts. Beautiful die cuts. So that is the main kit embellishments. Then we will go through the embellishment kit. These are so fun. These are chipboard stickers. You have all of these adorable buttons, these little houses, and like the little wood grain. And I'm wondering if all of these little pieces will pop out of the houses. Yes, they do. So all the doors and the windows on these little wood houses will pop out, and the camera and the leaves too. So it's really fun. And then the chipboard stickers with gold foil, 36 pieces in here. Some clear stickers, some beautiful florals, and then you have all of these sayings down here. And then these are always fun. These are clear mixed media stickers. So if you're not one to use any kind of mixed media, these are great for creating mixed media looks. And then the die cuts. There are 56 die cut shapes in here. I love all of the leaves and florals, some pumpkins, a cat. Really, really cute. Let's see, I'll pull a couple of them out just to show you. Some of the pieces. So there's gold foil on them. Oops. which is really pretty. Those are all the elements in the embellishment kit. And then the Pocket Life kit. Have all of these exclusive cards in a few different sizes. They are all single-sided and they are on a nice thick cardstock. If you don't do any type of pocket scrapbooking, don't shy away from picking up this kit because you can use these cards for layers on your layout. You can use them to die cut shapes out of. You can use the journal cards on your project, the journal cards on your layouts or your traveler's notebooks or whatever. You're creating a mini album. You can use them to create cards with. Lots of things to do with these besides just the Pocket Life kit. Cut out the elements, like some of these elements, and put them on your layout, or just create a whole mini album using just the pages of just these cards. Bind them all with a cinch machine or a binder ring. I love this one. So these are all of the exclusive cards. Okay, so here are the chipboard stickers. There are 60 chipboard stickers in this pack. Tons of great sayings, some circles and some labels, some numbers and some leaves down there. And then the cardstock stickers with gold foil. Love all of these up here. The bow. You got tabs. Tabs are my favorite. Some labels. These are really cute. Those gold little binder clips. Some little washi strips. And then some adorable puffy stickers. There's 72 puffy stickers in this pack, and I love this size of puffy sticker. So that is the Pocket Life kit. So I'll just set this off to the side. This month for the color kit, doing something a little bit different. We have a stamp set, a die that goes with the stamp, and then a layering art stencil floral cluster. So really, really fun. Just changing it up this month with something different for the color kit. And I think you guys are really, really going to love this. And this is going to be really fun to play with. The metal die coordinates with the floral cluster stamp and the stencils. Gorgeous. So that is the color kit. And then the stamp kit for this month is this gorgeous pumpkin filler stamps. So you have the pumpkin metal die set, which will cut out the pumpkin. And then the filler, you can add all of these inside. So the set coordinates with the pumpkin die. Super, super cute. And then the metal die kit. This one is Lovely Leaves metal dies. And I will leave all of the products linked down below so that you guys can check them out. But these will be really fun to cut out using the different pattern papers in the kit. And I think creating a nice floral like wreath with these will be really pretty. And then maybe cut and color some of these and add those in the wreath as well. So this is all of the products from the October hip kit. I will leave them all linked down below so you guys can check them out. I would act fast on them if you are interested in picking them up singly because they do sell out quickly. And if you would like to save some money on them, then I would go ahead and subscribe. If you subscribe to the main kit, you will save some money by subscribing, but then you will also save money on purchasing additional kits if you want to add them in, and then all of your add-ons will ship free with your main kit. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.